Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to take a video on the Locket Widget app. If you don't know how to take a video on the Locket Widget app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket Widget app on a device. So if you have not installed the Locket Widget app on a device, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that, you just need to open the Locket Widget. So this is the page where you will see the option of flashlight, your camera like icon, the front camera and the back camera like this and all of it. So to take a video on the Locket Widget app, you just need to simply long press on the large circular button at the very center, and if you simply long press like this, then the video will be taken on the Locket Widget app. So after taking the video, you just need to release the button to stop the recording, and you just need to send to your friends you would with a photo. And if you are unable to record the video, make sure that you have already installed to the latest version of the Locket Widget app and you'll be able to record it. So that's it. That's how you can record the video on the Locket Widget app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.